Good morning all of you. Class 2 Pine. Class 2 Pine, are you ready beta? Class 2 Pine, are you ready? Please reply me. Good morning beta. May I audible visible? Can you hear? Who is muted? Please don't do that. Good morning. Okay. You all please take out your computer book. You all please take out your computer book and open page number 12. Previous class we have started chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 already. Please don't do that. No one will change the mode. Please keep your mobile or computer in grid view. No one will change. Okay? Do you have any problem? Can you hear my voice? Can you see the board clearly? Okay. Okay, let's continue. And previous class I discussed till page number 11. Okay? Computer versus human beings, and we have completed let's check part also. So today I want to start uses of computer. Today I want to discuss this topic, uses of computers. And nowadays each and everywhere we are using computer, right? In the different purpose we are using computer. It is a very important part in our life. Now you are doing online classes through a computer, and someone are using computer and someone using their smartphone. It's okay, but we are using computer for online classes. Now I am teaching through online classes through a computer. Okay, now I am also taking your class through a computer. Okay, and in our home, in school, in banks, railway station, airport, shopping mall, restaurant, each and everywhere, hospital, and now we are using computer. Okay, now we are using computer. Do you have any problem beta? Now we are using computer for the different purpose, different places for the different purpose. Now in your home you are using computer. For what purpose you are using computer? Okay beta, Aminajuddin. Now in your home we are using computer. Now someone is using computer for online classes, and sometimes we are using you are using computer in your home for watching movies, cartoon. Sometimes you play games. Page number 12 beta, page number 12. You all please open page number 12. You cannot see the board. Now you can see the board. Nothing I am written on board beta. Only the page number and which topic I will discuss, that part only I am written on board. Now I will discuss. You everyone please follow me carefully. Now playing games we are using computer, and for watching movies, cartoons we are using computer, and sometimes we use computer. You use computer for drawing, and sometimes you use computer for searching anything, for studying purpose, different, helping in doing homework. You are using computer. You are using computer or mobile phone. Mobile phone is also a computer. Okay, and watching movie, and sometimes we can listen music through a computer. In your home, your parents, your mother, your father, sometimes they are giving bill, and they are sometimes they are purchasing anything from the through a computer. Okay, online shopping they are doing something, they are using computer. Sometimes your parents are using computer for their work, maybe office work and maybe other work, they are using computer. In hospitals we are using computer. For what purpose we are using they are using computer in hospital. Why they are using, for what purpose they are using computer in hospital? For keeping records of patient. for keeping records of patient, they are using computer. And preparing medical report, sometimes you are going for any test and they are giving a report, they are preparing that medical report through a computer. For preparing report, they are using computer. And gaining more knowledge through a computer, through a mobile phone, we can gain more knowledge about diseases and their causes. Sometimes they are using the computer for knowledge about diseases and their causes. And sometimes the doctors are discussing another doctor, suppose that doctor is not in same town, in maybe in another state or another any other country also, they can communicate through a computer. They can send their patient condition and patient all the reports, and they can discuss and they can treatment. Okay, now in hospital, and some we are using computer to keep the records of the patient and the patient condition also. We can to see that condition, suppose sometimes we continuously we can check the patient blood pressure and the patient heartbeat. So there also we are using different type of computer. Okay. And now school, in our school we are using computer. In school we are using computer for the purpose. In school now I am using computer for online classes. Sometimes I am using computer for learning many things, and sometimes I am using in our school are using computer for keeping the records of students. That means your records, all the students records school are keeping in a computer. Your record means your name, your parents name, your address, your phone number, your blood group, and which class you are in, everything, all the records are keeping in a machine. Minajuddin, you have to make a notebook, but not now. You have to make a separate copy. When I will start the book exercise, short question we will write in our short, fill in true false, tick the correct, solve in our book, and question answer we will write in our notebook. You have to make a separate copy, okay, for the computer. That maybe a 2 lines copy, 4 line copy, or like a science copy, practical copy, 1 page white and ruler. Any copy, whatever copy have in your home, that must be school name and logo. Okay. Now in school we are using computer helping students in their studies. Sometimes computer we use computer for computer are used helping students in their studies and keeping the library records, all the records. And sometimes we are preparing report card, notice, routine, class routine, everything we are preparing through a computer. Okay. And we in for the computer practical also we are using computer. For the classes also we are using computer. Now in banks, in bank we are using computer. For bank, what purpose they are using computer? In for the details of customer, that means bank accounts. For the bank accounts, keeping the details of bank accounts. Suppose you have account in the particular bank, SBI bank or Central Bank or Yes Bank or HDFC Bank, Punjab National Bank, any bank. Suppose you have any account in that particular bank, the who are working in the bank, they are keeping all the customer details in a machine. Okay. In the bank accounts, all the details, all the records they are keeping in a computer. And withdrawing money we are using computer. ATM, ATM is also a one type of computer. This is page number 12 beta. And now we are using computer, and now the banks are using computer for withdrawing money from ATM. Have you seen ATM? Have you went any bank with your parents? Yes or no? Okay. Now railway stations and airport. In the railway station and airport they are using, okay Shusheta, very good. That means you have seen, no? They are using computer. And Priyankshi also. Okay, very good. Now railway stations and airport, they are using computer. For what purpose they are using computer? In railway station and airport, we are using computer for making ticket, for preparing ticket reservation. Okay, and keeping records of the all passengers. Suppose you want to go anywhere, Delhi, Mumbai, but no need to go now. Okay, now stay in your home safely. Okay, now if you want to make if you want to do a reservation, they are keeping all the details in a computer. Okay, and they can give a bill, reservation ticket, they can give a ticket also in a from a computer. Okay, and now keeping records of all passengers. All passengers record means your passenger's name, address, age, and from where want to arrive, and departure, arrival and departure, all everything they can keep the records through a computer. And giving information about the arrival, and they are giving the information arrival and departure also through a computer. Times of train and aeroplanes through a computer. Now shopping malls and offices, we are using computer. Have you went shopping mall? I hope everyone, right? Have you went Big Bazaar, Reliance Trend, Pantaloons? Have you seen they are using computer? For what purpose they are using computer? For preparing bill. For preparing bill. Okay, yes, I know, Priyankshi. And keeping the records of items in a shopping mall. Medicine stores, nowadays each and every malls, they are using computer for keeping all the items details. Okay, and for preparing bill. Yes, Mafijul. Yes, they are using computer for preparing bill and printing bill, and sending and receiving mails. Sometimes they are using computer sending mail. They are sending a message to us through the computer. Okay, and designing. For the designing purpose, we are using computer. For what designing? Building, clothes, machines, cars, we can design through a computer. And animated movie and cartoons, and they are making cartoons and animated movies, we are using computer. For making these cartoons and animated movies, we are using computer. Okay, designing and printing books, newspaper, magazine, all we can prepare through a computer. Your computer books is very attractive, very different color pictures are there, and very nice. It is also designed by the computer. Okay, we designed this through a computer. Okay, and a newspaper also and magazine, for that purpose the designer are using this. And types of computer, there are basis on the size. On the size, we can see the different sizes computer are there. Okay, desktop, it is a computer. Laptop, it's a computer. Palm top, it's a computer. Tablet, it's a computer. Your smartphone, it is a computer. And all are computer, but we can classify it based on the size. Okay, types of computers based on their size. A computer is a machine, and which is available in many different sizes right from the time of its invention. From the beginning to now it is very small in size. Our smartphone, it is a computer, but very small in size. But when the computer is invented, that time we can see the computer is very big in size. One room is required to keeping that machine. Okay, when it was invented at that time, for that keeping this machine, it's required one room, big room. But now a mobile is only very small pieces is required to. We can keep it in our pocket also, right? Now the first computer was a supercomputer and it used to occupy a full room. It's occupy full room. Okay, and then the desktop was introduced. After that machine, supercomputer introduced the desktop. Desktop is required only one desk, only one table or desk we can keep this machine. This monitor, keyboard, mouse and the CPU. For this we required one desk only. No need whole room. In a one corner in our room we can keep on a desk. So its name is desktop. Okay, and then the desktop was introduced, followed by laptop. After the desktop comes laptop, then notebooks, and then palm tops. Nowadays the computer as a device can be owned as a watch or kept in the pocket. Now computer as device we can watch, and in a smartwatch we can wear it. We can only that own, and we can watch, we can use this machine. It's a very small in size. And now let us know about some of computer briefly, and next class I will discuss desktop, laptop, smartphone and the wearable computer and the palm top, notebook, everything. Okay, for today this much. Who present, please write down P so that I can take your attendance. Okay, and you all will read whole the chapter thoroughly. Okay, you all will read whole the chapter whatever done. Now who present, please write down P so that I can take your attendance, your name and P. Ovirup Datta present, Aniket Ray present, Anushka Ghosh present, Devdeep Murmu present, then Lakshmi present, Lakshmi Narayan Das present, Mafizur Rahman Mollik, Mafizur Rahman Mafizur Rahman present today, and Mohiyan Chakraborty present, Minajuddin Ahmed present, Oishi Mukherjee present, Poonam Chatterjee present, and Priyankshi Kundu present, and Rajdeep Banerjee present, Banerjee, Rishabh Devnath present, and Shivanita Chatterjee, Shivanita Chatterjee present, and Shitama Mondol present, and Shushveta Sarkar, present, and Ujan Ghotok present, and Vikrant present. Okay, I have taken your attendance beta. For today, Molla Ayman absent today. Okay, maybe Molla absent today. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye all of you. And you all will read whole the chapter thoroughly. Okay, bye bye.